Happy New Year, traders! And I know all my viewers are going to win in the Forex and crypto markets this year. 2021, it wasn't a bad year in terms of trading Forex and also crypto. I know a couple of people who made incredible gains within 2021. Myself, I benefited. Today, we are going to see how all the markets performed in 2021. Before we be able to make profit in 2022, that means we have to get our lessons learned. We have to know what we did best and worst within 2021, and with that, we can make good trades in 2022 and have a profitable year. First of all, let's talk about the US dollar. The dollar, way back in 2020, the dollar lost 6.7%. As the dollar index made gains of 6.4% in 2021, the dollar also became the best performing currency within the year. So if you were trading, let's say, the AUD USD, USD JPY, GBP USD, or CHF USD, the dollar overtook all these assets. So for the majors, the dollar was the best performing asset within 2021. Also, there was a worst performing asset, that's the JPY. The Japanese yen lost about 11% within the year. That was when it was paired with the US dollar. So talking about the majors, the JPY was the one which lost much when it was paired with the US dollar. Let's talk about the crypto space. The crypto market soared to its all-time high in terms of market cap to 3 trillion. That was so fast. XRP, Ripple, my favorite cryptocurrency, also surpassed $1. There were some emerging cryptocurrencies in 2021 that made a shock in the market and also made a lot of people millionaires. Coins like Solana and Luna, at the beginning of the year, they were trading less than $2. Getting to the end of 2021, Solana went to almost $300 and also Luna over $100. That was an incredible gain for the crypto market. All the people who invested in these coins, by now, they should be having a yacht. Now, let's shift to the equity market. The S&P 500 made it again. It continued its multi-year high and made 28% within 2021. Other equities like the stock 600 also put in an incredible performance, making over 25% within the year. The oil market also stood out in 2021. WTI oil made about 55% gains within the year, and a catalyst for that could be economies recovering from the coronavirus pandemic, because there was a lot of lockdowns and stuff. A lot of people were patronizing oil, and that made the price go down in 2020. Brent crude, or the UK oil, also made 50% within the year. So overall, oil had a good year. Traders, remember to subscribe to this channel and put on the notification alert so that anytime I post a new video, you get it first. And let's make profit together this year. This year, I'm going to share with you some of my Forex trades and also the cryptocurrencies I'm going to invest in. In the description box, I'm going to put a link to my coin market cap watch list, so you get to see whatever coin I'm putting my money on, so that you do same and we make profit together. Whatever I share on this channel is not a financial advice. Do your own research and invest. Until we meet again, stay safe.